All right, guys, I am planting the medicinal kind of flower garden, and I'm just gonna, this is a hanging basket, and I'm putting some nasturtium in here, and I'm hoping that it will grow out and hang over the basket. I'm also going to plant some royal carpet alyssum in here because it smells so pretty. Oops. So I'm going to put that on the opposite side. And she's just a baby, so we have to be gentle with her. Alright, so I'm going to go hang this up. Alright, hold on till I get this in. Okay, so I'm gonna hang this up here, and like I said, hopefully the nasturtium will start growing and hanging over that basket quite a bit. If it gets too big, I'll just transplant it, okay? All right, so now I'm going to be planting some roses that I got called, I believe they're called angel face. But what I'm going to do is just add, I dug a hole, and now I'm going to go put some organic matter in this hole. I already have some composted, I already have some compost in this hole, and I'm adding a little more organic matter. And then this rose is a beautiful, I love the color, and it's why I grabbed this one. So I'm going to, oh, she has some.